Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Wednesday the 14th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to go over a lot of math today. As always, we're going to keep busy and also take a quiz today. So, please make sure you're ready to work hard today. First of all, at this time, go ahead and turn in your two assignments. Turn in page 172. These assignments right here, and also turn in your test corrections. Please make sure your names are on both of those, please. So check now, stop and check and make sure your names are on both of those. Turn in both of these assignments now at this time. Incompletes for track 1. Let's see what we have. Okay, nothing, that's good. Tests and quizzes. I don't care if you miss one day or many days, the first day you come back. If we're taking a test or a quiz that day, you will take it. It is your job to stay on top of your videos when you're out sick, okay? Now, students, if there's ever a problem with that when you're out absent, just let me know. While you're out absent, I will work with you, okay? But it's your job to stay on top of your tests and quiz or your videos when you're out absent, okay? Today we're going to be taking a quiz and also taking notes, so that's our schedule for today. The video today starts the series. We're going to be learning of different ways to prove that triangles are congruent. Please learn these two postulates well, okay? So today we're going to look at two postulates. There are going to be two ways to prove that triangles are congruent. I don't mean just memorize them, although you need to do that. I mean learn how to use them. Okay? When we work on homework tomorrow, really make sure that you are getting every problem right. Okay? It's very important you do this. Also, there's going to be two proofs in your notes today. Please continue to get better at these. Practice will really help you. The name of the teaching video is SSS and SAS postulates, 24 minutes and 36 seconds long. Okay? Alright, at this time I need you to go ahead and pause the video, pass out the quizzes, and when everyone has a quiz on their desk, then go ahead and restart the video. Okay, students, let's go over your quiz now at this time. Question number 1, when you read that, I don't say a lot of things out loud on the video because students could be at home listening to this. So I'm just going to say, what do we know? Write down what you know when I tell you that situation, question number 1. When I tell you that situation occurs, two triangles are congruent. Tell me what we know, okay? And that's it. And that should say answer ANS, not AND, okay? Moving on to number 2, I've given you two congruent triangles. Give me the congruence statement. I've started it for you. You finish it for me. Numbers 3, 4, and 5. Tell me the interior angles. Tell me the remote interior angles. Tell me which angle is the exterior angle. Numbers 6 and 7. Well, 6. Solve for x. 7. Find the measure of angle 4. Okay? So that's basically it, okay? That's the quiz. That's all for today, students. Please begin to work on your quizzes and then watch the teaching video. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Miss Carol, it's kind of up to you when you feel like the students have had enough time for their quiz. If there are still 2 or 3 working on it, that's no problem. Let them turn their desks around. They can continue to work while you all take notes, okay? There might be a little bit of free time today, about 5 or 6 minutes into the class, but if that happens, students can, I would strongly suggest guys looking over your notes and making sure you're really familiar with these two postulates.